Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got to meet up with another local Luv owner. I went over to pick up an old hood from him, and he was nice enough to let me shoot a quick video of his truck. It's a 79 Luv 4x4 and bit of a father-son project, and well on its way to being awesome. It has the full Roadrunner body kit on it, and still needs a little bit of work, but it's already a pretty darn cool truck. Alright, enough hype. Let's check this thing out.
Mine even start right now.
Yeah, no kidding?
It's a battery start. Pump's on.
Lights are flickering. Oh my goodness. Oh, it wants to. I can smell some. Got a lift kit on there?
Makeshift.
Yeah. Body lift or?
Yeah, body lift.
Well, you definitely put a lot into it.
There was some brick in there. I do not want to kick over.
So you put this booster in?
Yeah.
Just a straight GM
Straight
style?
Universal 7-inch hot rod, full diaphragm.
Get it from Speedway?
Actually Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Wow.
Headers are from Amazon.
Let me just do a quick on the inside.
The smaller steering wheel sounds like a good idea, but don't ever do it.
A what?
Smaller steering wheel.
Tell me about it, yeah.
The leverage it takes to turn just, tripled. Have you been here for like 3 years?
Four in May.
Okay. This, where Atwoods is on Albert Pike?
Yeah.
Yeah, this used to sit there because I used to work there.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, I used to drive it every day.
Well, guys, there it is. I didn't want to take up too much of Mike's time today, and I do appreciate him letting us take a look at his truck. I hope we can get together and do some cruising next summer. And thanks again, Mike, for the hood and the sliding rear window. Alright guys, I'm fairly convinced now I've got to find me a 4x4 Luv, and I'll be looking for one. See you out there. If you're still here and want to hang out a little, enjoy this cruise back through downtown Hot Springs, and thanks for watching.